I made a promise I knew I couldn't keep. I didn't make too many promises. I stayed light on my feet. Now that freedom's getting heavy, I feel the time in my bones. Yeah, people try to love you, everybody does their best. Sometimes it felt to me like pressure kept my cards to my vest. So if the night's getting lonely, well, it's no one's fault but my own. And it's a hard way down when you're just hanging on. It's a hard way down when all your friends are gone. A hard way down to nothing but you. I was hungry for distractions, I kept them coming fast. I didn't stop to read the captions, had my foot on the gas. But there ain't much life in living when you can't remember your nights. And you can't go on forever when you catch up with yourself. There ain't a whole lot of shelter in the stories that you tell to keep yourself believing you didn't know wrong from right. It's a hard way down when you're just hanging on, trying to play it so cool. It's a hard way down when all your friends are gone and no one left to call you a fool. It's a long way up when you come back down, and you've darkened every room in the town. A highway down to nothing but you. Come easy, yeah, for me to be alone, which is the thoughts in my mind. And sometimes feels like the wolves are closing on my path, and there's no way of getting back again. It's a hard way down when you're just hanging on, trying to play it so cool. It's a hard